Okay guys, for the rest of the door I'm going to put this print up. So when I put it up on the door I'll show you. So I'm just going to glue it on. Okay, the print's now been glued on. I just use PVC wood glue. Down to the bottom. And I've tried to blend the photo in with the top backdrop as good as I can get. So that's what she looks like with a photo print. Okay, the next part I'm doing is I've just plastered the plaster cloth area, just that small area there, and that one. So I'll just blend them into those rocks, then that part will be finished. And I'm still liking the photo print. She really blends in well, I think anyway. But anyway, so when that all completely dries, I'll paint it and get that part finished. Okay, all the plaster of Paris has been carved up now, so all I've got to do is let that really dry. Then I can paint it. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, the girder bridge, I'm actually gonna ballast the whole track. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, I've finished all the ballasting and it's all wet. So I just got to wait for it to dry. Now on the deck truss I'm doing a fence all the way around, and the fence will be like so on both sides, and what I'm using is actually 2mm balsa wood strips. And the other one will go like so, and all the way along to the end, and also it will be painted the same colour. So I'll go ahead and make that and glue it in place. Now all the ballast is now dry, so that part is finished. Okay, I've put the first light grey coat on the plaster of Paris. I'm still liking my print. and on that side too. So the next one I'm just going to put black wash on it, and that will darken it up. So I'll go ahead and put the black wash on it, and I'm hoping to get sort of this darker, sort of a grey colour. Okay, the fence is now glued and painted, as you can see. Okay, the next job I'm doing is I'm going to try and cover this area so it sort of blends in, and I'll have photo prints as well. Just like I've done to this side. So I put this board up, which I'll put a photo print up. So when it's all closed, it's going to look like rock work and no holes. So I'll go ahead and fill it in. Okay, I've finished covering all the gaps now, so all I've got to do is put the photo paper up, and the same on this side. So I'll go ahead and put the photo paper up and show you what it looks like. Okay, I thought I'd show you the photo print I'm using on the sides. Now that's the photo in a vertical, or looking vertical. So what I do is I print that out, and then on the side that's got to join up, I do a mirror image, and the mirror image will go like so, so it all blends in. But anyway, I'll glue that on and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all up. Okay, all the gaps have been now filled up and the photo prints are down, and the same as that side. So the next step is to finish off blending the rocks in, or the carved rocks, then the top of the truss bridge. Okay, I'll start up blending the plaster area. I've just put some fine turf on there with the paint, and also that area. But this will also have particles of snow like you see on this wall. So I'll carry on. Okay, I've just finished ballasting the side of the tracks on both sides. So all that's now finished. Now on to the truss bridge now. Okay, on the truss bridge now, I've just painted all the nuts, bolts and washers in a burnt umber. just straight out of the acrylic paint, no water added. But now I'm going to try and dirty it up now. So I'm going to use a black wash all over the bridge. Let's just see how that looks instead of just being a plain grey. So I'll go ahead and do that and see what it looks like. Okay, now all the black wash has been added, and I'll just let that now dry, just see what she looks like. As I said, I use like 200 parts water to 1 part black. But anyway, I'll let that dry and come back to it. Okay, the truss bridge is up now. It's not glued down onto the lift bridge. But that's what she looks like. So my next step is obviously to add some more trees along the back there. And the snow. Also I changed the colour of the handle and the latch. I went a darker green. So I'll go ahead and do the snow part and the trees. And then this scene's finished. Okay guys, all the snow's now been put down. And obviously the bridges have been snowed. And I've also added more trees. Just another view from the top.